am I doing tonight? I am doing this. See this hunk of shit right here? I'm going to attempt to take the muffler off and then take a few other things off. So with that said, let me walk back and forth and cannibalize a bike. I want to take the front forks off, but it's keeping it stable right now. So I'm not going to take the front forks off yet. I do have to make something to hold the back. And I did something else that was kind of cool. I did something else which I remembered because I have a 85, a 86, an 86. There's an 87 frame. I took a picture of the date and the manufacturer so I can get new stickers made. And I took a photo and I printed it out so I don't lose the digital one. So, yeah. So here. Now, what am I doing here? I'm going to attempt to remove the muffler. Scissors. And it appears this one is. This is the fun part. Will it come off? What's on there? What kind of bolts? Is it the right size socket? Nope. Harbor Freight sockets. So 10 millimeter Harbor Freight. 10, 11, 12, and 13. It's not a. Well, that came off pretty easy. I need an extension bar in there. Need an extension bar. That one just broke right off. What a surprise. What a surprise. Start inside. Take that off. Take the muffler guard off. I should use a Sawzall. What I should use. I'm gonna cut this pipe off right here. I'm gonna find something to cut it with. Most likely an air tool. I will be right back. Hold on. Shit. It's just spinning. Alright, let's see. Put a bar through here.
Having fun yet? Maybe I should do a little bit of a
Plan B here. Plan B. Where's the other Plan B section? Yeah. Plan B vice grips. That's too small. Too small. Plan B ain't gonna work. I need pliers, okay? Just clamp it on there lightly.
Come on. Whee, there we go. Get that off there.
This out of here. Like this. That'll help. Whee. There we go. Greasy crap can go in the bag with greasy crap. What's this? Some kind of washer. Yucky, yucky. Now the question is will this come up? Will it come off here? This out of the way, this out of the way. Oh, there's something else in there. Something else in there needs to go. Let's go over. That's good. Come on. This thing unscrew on here. There's no threads on there, so. Weird. Oh, there we go. Let's put this crusty piece in that bag too. By golly, I think we got it. Let's see now. Yeah, I think the engine's got to come out next because still a bit too much weight on here. Extension bar. Let's try the other side. Holy Jesus. I'm gonna need an impact wrench here. That's not coming out. That's not coming out. I hate when this happens. There's one. Ow. Fuck. Ah. That hurt. the footprints off. Yeah, there we go. One more piece for the pile. What I do is I put them in little Ziploc bags like this. I'm right with what they are for. And lost that one. Airbox. Airbox out of here. There we go. There's the airbox. This is a airbox. This airbox has a unique feature. It has a homemade smashed cover, which I guess works, right? So yeah, that's what it's got. That's what it's all about. What's this? More junk. This is a heat shield. Put that in there. Take all the rubber grommets off. Come on, rubber grommet. Come on, rubber. The rear swing arm looks like it's next. Get all the rubber grommets off here. Hello folks, I'm working on this scrap heap right now and I'm going to show you what I took apart on it. There's a few things I took. That top off. I took the fender off. I managed to take the exhaust pipe and the little cap off. I took the 2 foot pedals off. I took that swing arm bolt out. The other swing arm bolt, which is right here, is rusted in place. And I seriously think I have a stripped swing arm bolt. So if that swing arm bolt is not the inside of the bolt stripped, not the threads. So I'm going to try heating it up and putting some penetrating stuff in there. And I'm probably going to have to weld. I'm going to have to weld the bar on it and just crank the hell out of it. So I took the airbox out. I took, what else? The shock's coming off next. I got to get that bolt out so I can pull the whole swing arm off. Then it's just a motor. Then I can lift that thing up. So anyway, that is an 86 donor bike. I'm going to send the frame out to get sandblasted. Probably order a sticker kit for it. And that'll be the slow project. The other one that's already put together over there, well, sandblasted. I'm going to start putting that back together when I use this for parts. The back end looks absolutely terrible. My other rear end over there looks a lot better. So I'm not making a, like I said, I'm not making a Cadillac bike. I might turn one, not a Cadillac. What is it they call it in UK? Concours. I'm not making it professionally, like perfect. I'll make it nice, but I'm not making it like that. Rear swing arm looks nice. I'm gonna probably, and there's not a lot of pieces that need to be look perfect either. Like there's I'm gonna send the rack to get powder coated and painted, the back rack, the front rack, the front thing, and once you do that, the fenders make it look nice. So the rest is just, I mean, the motor might be ugly. So anyway, that's my project tonight. I'll skimp and you'll probably have seen a little bit of the video. I'll probably have high speed dub the whole thing, make it a nice short video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click some buttons. Thanks.